Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome back again to this channel about job. So today we will discuss a job openings from Romania. It's a European country. So if you have a plan to move European country with a job, then please keep watching this video till the end and know what is the job openings, how to apply everything details. So first of all, I would like to tell you lots of thanks for your valuable time and for your support. So guys, I'm keep continuing to inform you the abroad job informations, and there are very important things is huge job openings coming up from many countries, so be prepared for that, be professional, and if you want to move abroad with a job, then be prepare your CV and be ready to attend the interview. Huge job openings coming soon. So today the openings is from Romania, and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply. The thing is, this is a multiple vacancies in Romania, and the interview already discussed, and now still the interview is continuing. So please, my sincere request: if you want to apply, you can contact them. You can apply by sending your CV to the given official email ID. And the thing is, this is a auto electrician positions. If you are electrician professionals and if you have previous experience in your home country, in Gulf country or any other countries, then please apply as soon as possible. So for auto electrician, you should know heavy auto mechanics experience in installation and repair of engine overall. So centralized AC and refrigeration mechanics. So for AC mechanic and refrigerator mechanic, you should have the previous experience, how to install, how to repair, all the knowledge about the equipment. Salary will be negotiable if you will select from the interview. It will be negotiable. Weekly 40 hours duty plus overtime plus free food and accommodations will be provided by the company. And factory helpers, the salary will be 500 euro. So and for team leaders, salary will be 600 euro. Weekly 50 hours duty overtime plus free food and accommodation will be provided by the company. So as you can see here, there are huge job openings from Romania, like in different positions. So send your CV to the given official email ID. Also, you can visit this website, or sorry, you can also visit in the official address through which you can directly contact the office and you can know all the information about the job openings. So my sincere request, this is the latest job openings and very urgent job vacancies. Now the interview already continue. So my sincere request, if you are a electrician, or if you are a auto mechanic, or if you are a AC mechanic, or if you are a factory helpers, or if you are a team leaders. So in these positions, if you have previous experience, no need to be worked. Forward your CV to the given official email ID. If you are facing to note the problem to note the email ID, you can go to the description below this video. You can get this email ID. Try to apply in the proper way. And if you want to visit to the office, you can visit to the office directly and you can contact by this number. So first of all, you should know for these positions you should have the previous experience and you should have the proper knowledge with qualifications. Then you can apply for this job. So guys, my sincere request, please share this information to your friends and relatives. This is a very important information and the company require candidates. That's why they are starting the interview and still it's continuing. Please try to apply as soon as possible and try to attend the interview. So I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any confusion, you can drop your question in the comment box. I'll try to give the answer. And please read the all informations and utilize it. And if you want to apply, you can apply as soon as possible. So guys, again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, of course, we will discuss about new job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. Bye bye.